Henry Manning 585 guys, check it out, man. So we made it back from Dan's crafting things. Check out Mad Max, guys. You know Mad Max. I take Mad Max through the ringer. But I ain't think I was that rough on Mad Max. But this piece right here always break, man. That shit is just so fucking brittle. It don't even make sense, guys. I got the aluminum part coming for that joint in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And I needed something for my bumper too, guys. Because I got sick of this joint right here. Look how this shit always breaking. No matter what I do, I always have issues with that bumper. So I went and got this RPM real quick for a little bit. Hopefully it work out, guys. So we're going to put Mad Max back together and get back out there to the construction site, guys. So we can see what it got. Go see how durable this shit is. Let's check it out, man. We jumping. And we ain't playing with no goddamn body. Just ask my gear cover. Cut that joint.